Hi, my name is Sandeep Singh. We are three members in our group, but I am giving this presentation alone. Now I have our main topic is on surgical robot. Now I have to talk about the robotic surgery. The surgical robot is a robot that is specially designed for the doctor to operate the patient in critical conditions. Nowadays, the Da Vinci robot is very famous for the critical surgeries. Now it's very popular in the world. Nowadays, these types of robots are used for the critical surgery. They can be controlled by a doctors. It can be also very useful in future and can help the medical field to achieve its good height. Surgical robots firstly introduced in 1985. Its name is Puma 560. Its main function is used to place a needle for a brain by using CT guidance. The, the Da Vinci basically consists of three components: a surgical console, a patient side robotic cart with four arms manipulated by the surgeon, and a high definition 3D system. The four arms controlled by it has four arms. It's controlled by a well trained doctor. Its two arms is used to pick up the parts which are used in the operations and operation theater, and another two arms to give a high definition camera with a key lighting which gives three-dimensional view inside of a body, so the doctor can see our inside part with more closer, which we can't see with our naked eyes. Now I have to talk about the cost of the robotic surgery in different countries. The number of these type of robotic installed in US is more than any other country, but US is very costly. The patient have to wait maximum minimum 2 years, 3 years, but it's not this type of things not happen in India. The cost of the robotic surgery is different in every country. Nowadays, the number of the robotics installed in the USA is more than any other country, but it's very expensive in USA. So most of in our reports we are compare the price with the USA. I have to talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages while using this type of robots. Due to the robotic, if we use this type of robotic, the surgery is done with small precision, miniaturization, small incision, decreased blood, and less pain and quicker healing time. By using this technique, the patient incision is very small and the patient recovery is very quick, and the patient also leave the hospital 2 or 3 days before than the open heart surgeries, and turn to work 50% before than the normal patient who have undergone open heart surgeries. If it has some advantages, it has also some, on the other hand it has also some disadvantages. It's very difficult to install in a hospital. Its cost is 1.7 million US dollar if we want to install in a hospital. It's also monthly maintenance cost is very high. It's near about $1,000. It's also takes more time than the open heart surgeries. This type of surgeries, it's basically the success rate of this type of surgeries depend upon the doctor's experience. If the doctor is well trained, it's good. I have to talk about the conclusion. The robotic surgery is now the most common surgery for the treatment of prostate cancers and accounts for over 85% of all radical process in the United States. The superior technology of a robotic surgery leads to reduced blood, shorter hospitalization, reduced risk of incontinence, and and also it's quicker return to the normal activities. It will be more effective if we use in the future this type of surgeries. It's a it takes less time for the operation than the normal open surgeries. Okay, bye, thank you.